Hi, my dear student and my dear subscriber. Welcome to my channel, Science and Vigyan. Science and Vigyan. Today, I will share a very important thing about QSAR because I have received number of messages. Some have a doubt, like what is this all about QSAR? So this is for the beginner only. Introduction of QSAR. We will discuss that in detail. Fine. For that, I just share whiteboard, and if you have any kind of query, please to mention in comment box. And before proceeding this lecture, please to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Fine. If you have any doubt, you can approach me through Instagram as well as Facebook. I have one close group on the Facebook. If you want to join that, please to mention in comment box. That is Computer Aided Drug Design. If you want, I will share their address in the bio. You can refer there. Fine. So this is the video solely have a basics of QSAR. What is this QSAR? Okay, we will discuss that in detail. First of all, do you have an idea about QSAR? QSAR is quantitative structure activity relationship. Okay, what do you mean by it? Quantitative, sorry, this is wrong. Quantitative. Do you know there are two terms? One is quantitative, other is a qualitative. Today we will discuss about quantitative only. Quantitative means we can describe this term with the help of any number. 1, 2, 3, sorry, 6, then 2, fine. This is a quantity. We can explain the activity of any drug in the term of numbers. That is quantitative analysis. Fine. Okay. Now, what is, oh, sorry, this is wrong. This is wrong. Structure. Right here again. Structure. This is structure. Okay. Structure. Now it is fine. Quantitative structure activity relationship means we can have a relationship of structure. Structure can be any. I will draw here structure for if you want to draw the structure on the any Word document or any presentation as well as any page, you need to have CamDraw for that. Okay, we will draw that only. I will share. Like you should know from where I have taken that structure. Fine. I just draw the structure on the CamDraw. Sorry, this is wrong. Like this is my favorite naphtol. I'll take that only. Okay, I just copy here and paste on this whiteboard. Okay. Copy. Sorry. I think I'm not able to paste here. Okay, we will discuss that here. Okay, we will copy the material. Wait, where is this one? Copy all material. Discuss on camera. Sorry, it's not. You can see here, from here we need to take a structure. structure and copy on whiteboard. Sorry. Okay, now you should know this is a structure. Okay, we will do one more thing. Sometimes this kind of troubleshooting happen in the lecture in any time, because we are not so techno expert. Now I think, yeah, this is visible to everyone. Yeah, this is visible. Okay. Now whiteboard we need to have. Okay, this is a structure. We need to have relationship of this structure with any number. Any number, 1, 2, 4, 6, fine. That is the quantitative and please, whenever you will watch video, please you need to watch till end, because in the last sometime I will tell you the trick how you can download the freeware software, or how you can download freeware, how you need to work with the free web server that is available on the internet. We know there are a number of information that is available on the internet, but sometimes what information is required for the student, we need to share that also. But generally I will share in between the lecture and through the end, whenever I just remember, because whenever I am teaching through that lecture, I just remembered more thing, and I would like to share the same information with my student also. Fine. Quantitative structure activity relationship. Yeah. Sorry, it's spelling mistake. Relation. This is fine. Yeah, relationship. Now, quantitative structure. Now, this is a structure. Fine. This is a structure. Oh, sorry. Okay. No. Oh. Yeah, this is a structure. We know its activity, but we need to correlate the relation between the activity and the structure. Now, if you see the structure, you should know how many carbon are present here. I think you can write that also. How many carbon present, hydrogen present. Wait. We can calculate physicochemical property. Fine. We can calculate its lipophilicity. That cover in that also. We can calculate medicinal chemistry properties. Pharmacokinetic. Pharmacodynamic. We can, in the QSAR, what we need to do, we need to have relationship of all these properties with its pharmacological activity. psychological activity. This is our task. Right? If we are able to generate the relationship of these properties with if we are able to generate the relationship of this property with this one, fine, then our QSAR is developed. In the next video, I would like to share how you develop the QSAR by using these properties. But for that, this is for the beginner only. What is this QSAR? Why we say it as QSAR? Now, I think it is clear to everyone why we say it as QSAR. Why we say is QSAR? Because here we can compute the relationship of structure and activity. There are two terms, one is structure, other is the activity. If we are able to develop the relationship between this structure and activity, then we are able to develop QSAR. That is all about the QSAR. If you have still any kind of doubt about QSAR, what is this QSAR? Fine, please to mention in comment box. And now I would like to explain this for the student if they have some difficulty in English. For that, क्या है ये QSAR मॉडल? QSAR मॉडल है जिसमें हम स्ट्रक्चर और एक्टिविटी का रिलेशन डिवेल्प करते हैं. अब रिलेशन डिवेल्प कैसे करते हैं वो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगी. इस वीडियो में इतना ही है कि जैसे हमारे पास स्ट्रक्चर है, ठीक है, हमने स्ट्रक्चर की ये वाली प्रॉपर्टीज कंप्यूट करनी है. कंप्यूट कैसे करनी है? हम कोई भी जैसे कैमड्रॉ यूज कर सकते हैं या हम कोई वेब सर्वर यूज कर सकते हैं जिससे हम उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज को कैलकुलेट कर पाए. प्रॉपर्टीज कैलकुलेट करने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे, हम उस प्रॉपर्टीज का उसकी एक्टिविटीज के साथ रिलेशन बनाएंगे कि कैसा रिलेशन है, अच्छा है, बुरा है. जो रिलेशन बनाना कैसे है वो मैं अपनी जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो है मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं इसकी एक प्लेलिस्ट बना लेती हूँ स्पेशली फॉर ड्रग डिजाइन. प्लेलिस्ट है कंप्यूटर एडेड ड्रग डिजाइन, ठीक है, मैं उसी में इसको डालती रहूंगी. और अगर आपको कोई डाउट होगा तो आप प्रीवियस वाली वीडियो को ओपन करके अपने डाउट क्लियर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, हम दोनों का रिलेशनशिप बनाएंगे, दोनों को कंप्यूट करेंगे, फिर देखेंगे रिलेशनशिप कैसा है, पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव है. ठीक है, उसके बाद हम वो उस QSAR को फर्दर हम न्यू कंपाउंड बनाने के लिए हम यूज करेंगे उसकी डिजाइनिंग के लिए. ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल अबाउट फॉर द टुडेस लेक्चर, द बेसिक्स ऑफ QSAR मॉडलिंग with the help of all these properties. In the next video I will tell how you can compute all these properties. Fine, if you have still any kind of doubt you can follow me on Instagram as well and Facebook. And if you have any kind of doubt on drug design especially, you can mention in comment box. Fine, stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to like and share the video. God bless you. Happy learning.